guys, it's Daniel from Walker.
And I'm Tom.
Whoa!
Hey, whoa! What are you guys doing?
Yeah, we're trying to shoot a video here.
We heard you knew everything about the Walker reunion in July.
Well, we have been working really hard on it.
What is there going to be for kids to do there?
Well, Max, there'll be all kinds of things, like a Ferris wheel, an inflatable slide, an inflatable kids obstacle course,
A climbing wall,
hot air balloon rides,
gaga ball pit.
and so many other fun things to do.
Can my parents come too?
Sure, they can come. We even have a special place just for parents with young kids.
Yeah, our team at Walker Family Resources is going to have a really nice area just for families so they can play or feed a baby or change a diaper or just relax.
Is there going to be anything to eat?
Yeah, pizza, burgers,
Chick-Fil-A?
and lots more. Plus treats like ice cream, funnel cake, kettle corn.
And shaved ice. You guys like shaved ice?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a well-informed question, Ben. Have your parents go to walker.com/reunion to register today.
Who's excited for the Walker reunion in July?
Yeah! See you all in July.